Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to use dark mode on Windows, how to turn it on or off. Now the first thing you need to do is we have actually two ways to do this. The first way is by using the settings app. One way is by using the quick settings menu. Just start with the settings app. Now if you're using a Windows 11, simply open your settings app, click on personalization, select dark mode, and you toggle the switch to turn dark mode on or off. But if you're using a Windows 10 like I am, this is how you can do it. So you open your Windows settings, and then from here click on personalization, and then you choose a dark theme. That's a secret, but you can see there's no dark mode. So go to theme, and then you choose a dark theme. This is a dark theme, this is another dark theme. Let's see, this is the first one. You can see now it's partially dark, partially light. You go away, you see it's little dark. But if you really want a real dark theme, you can also search in the Microsoft Store for dark themes. So let's get back there. This one in some places are dark, some places are light. So I want a real dark theme. So I downloaded the theme. This is a theme, and I called it dark theme. But nah, that's it. I named it dark theme because I actually downloaded something. So now, as you can see, it's darker in every aspect. Every aspect. So that's how you can do it. See, it's dark theme. Now, just as by using the settings app. Now I want to use the quick settings menu. Click on the notification icon to the tab. The notification icon is this one over here. Click on it, and then you should see among the options here, it should be a moon option. This is the moon option, but for mine it's for focus, priority, and the rest. It is not for dark theme. While there should be one for dark theme right there. If you're using Windows 11, you should have it, and you should be able to turn your dark theme or dark mode on or off. So that's it. You can also personalize your dark mode if you're using Windows 11 by scheduling it. You can customize it, you can schedule it. So just after going to settings, personalization, go to themes, then select the dark theme. Next thing, you click on enable schedule dark mode. Just go through the whole settings over there and do what you want to do. As simple as that. Hope you found the video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for